Hey guys, welcome to VRK Homemaker. Today I'm gonna share with you in this video a Mysore Pak. Very easy, tasty recipe, and please follow the steps and you'll be really feel it is damn easy recipe to prepare it on time. Time is very important in this recipe. Please follow the steps, and before that please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get my new notification. For that I'm using Fortune Basin flour, and I've kept a kadai and I've just added 2 cups of basin flour, and slightly I'm gonna fry it just to remove the raw flavor from that smell. It should go, the aroma should be good while having the Mysore Pak. Just slightly you just fry it and just remove it, keep aside. Actually this Mysore Pak is very time being, we have to do it on time everything. If not, this will really change the taste as well as the color also. Now just remove it from to keep aside in the bowl. Look how I'm removing. If you want color brown, you can more fry. If not, you can just add. If not, you can skip this and just add with that basin flour hot oil and mix it just to give a flavor. And now I just added other pan ghee, half and half oil. I've just kept aside and making hot because for this recipe there should be a hot oil with a smoky. And one pan I've just added 3 cups of sugar and added a 1/2 cup of water. And this is very important step to make a syrup. The sugar should dissolve in the water and should become a syrup, like it should bring it to a small string what we can usually make for the syrup. And take a 1/2 cup of water in that. If you put the syrup, it should get settled down and make a small ball. Now slightly once the prop up calm, just add the basin flour slowly. Just mix well. There should not be any lumps because this is very hot syrup. As well as we are going to add a half ghee as well as half oil. I've just heating upside the two sides. It should happen evenly. It should happen at one shot. And the hot oil we are going to pour in this, so that even this basin flour it's also we already fried and now it's going to cook again. So look at the lump, look at the bubbles, how it is coming. That is how it have to be. The consistency is right time. And then now you have to mix well. As you mix, if there is any lumps also, it will get clear. Now it's a time to add up the oil or a ghee. If you want, you can make only with the ghee or only with the oil, but I've mixed it because this will give a great flavor. If you want, you can do it with only ghee. It will be more nice and tasty. How look at the prop, how it is coming. Wow, it is very tasty recipe guys. And it will take hardly 15 seconds. If you do before that or after that also, the Mysore Pak won't be nice. The syrup should be proper with a single layer string we have to come. And as well as I showed you how to test, half cup of water you have to just put this syrup, and if it should get settled down and make a small ball, then it is the time to add the besan flour. Now I just added complete oil. If you as you add the oil, the taste will be so nice. Look how it is absorbing. Wow, look at the bubbles, how it is coming. Now is the time, just grease the plate with the ghee or oil, whatever you like, whichever you are comfortable with. Now just pour completely. If you want a thick size of Mysore Pak, you need to have that type of container, that like you how we I'm pouring it into that. Just grease it before so that it will come easily, the cubes and all. I'm going to cut it in the cubes. Now this should rest for at least 10 minutes just to make shapes as you like, whichever shape, diamond shape or a rectangular shape or a square, whatever shape you want we can make it. And now just applying greasing it upon the ghee, just spread over top so that the flavor will be more nice. I've already added the ghee, but here it will give more nice flavor. And it is very easy to cut also. I'll be showing in now coming video how to cut also. This rested for at least 10 minutes. It should cool down, then only we can cut. Now it's a time to cut. It is now, look at that. Oh wow, it is so normal. And wow, now I just taken the pizza cutter to cut this. If you want, if you have a knife, you can do with that also. It will come more better than this, but I'm comfortable with this, so I'm doing with this. Wow, I'm gonna make a square shape, and which is very easy. And I got very thick Mysore Pak because I've taken a such plate to get very thick one. If you want thin, just take a small plate and then you can spread it evenly. You have to spread whichever shape you want, you can make it by your own. And this is a very important recipe as well as very easy and tasty recipe. Everybody love to have, who are sweet lovers, who are foodies. Please follow this recipe, and who really like this, and please comment me in the comment section how you really felt with this taste and how really felt how the videos I'm doing. Please comment me whether good or bad, I don't mind. I would like to follow you people, as well as if you like any kind of dishes you want me to cook, definitely I'll cook. Please post me in through a description or a comment box so that I'm gonna do the such things. And now what I'm going to do, I've already cut into the pieces. Now I just make it ulta. With that, just turn the plate and put it into the other plate. Then obviously the chips will be awesome chips I got. And it is very hot, guys, so I'm just keeping the hot parts. It is very hot still, but after 10 minutes we have to, if not later we can't cut it. So now it is ready, guys. Wow, it is superb. No, I've removed the extras actually. I've removed the extras. Now look at this, how it is looking, very thick and very nice to have. Wow, so colorful also. If you want, you can make any stuff also in the hot time, cashews or anything, it will be more nice. But I would like to have very plain. Guys who are watching me for the first time, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get my new notification. Until then, take care, bye bye.